told me and I believe it. I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
Now I done been with different kind of girls, feel like I done seen them all, but ain't none of them at all
Like you,
And I done seen the best of the best, baby, still I ain't impressed, cause ain't none of them at all
like you,
And you know how I feel when I chill, if I'm seen with a girl, then she gotta be just
like you.
And maybe that's the way I feel, and I got no choice but for me to keep it real. Cause when we first got together, started hanging out, you was skeptical at first, had to figure out if I was the kind of guy that try to dog you out, but I ain't that kind of guy you try to make me out. You found out when you turned to my baby. I showed them other brothers how to treat a lady. I let you drive when I ride that Mercedes, and I ain't tripping or acting shady, cause baby, you know I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
And every time I think about you, when you cry, when you call, when you come around, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see you. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, and whenever I'm doing a show, that I'm your main chick. Who got the game chick? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in a special way I feel when you hold me. We gon' always be together, baby, that's what she told me, and I believe it, cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you. Hit the mall, pop tags, spend a few G's in, hit the runway to a new season. It ain't nothing, it's more than what I care for. Feel like I ain't doing enough, that's when I share more. I give you this, give you that, what you need, love. You know I gotta holler at me if you need love and affection, cause I be your protection. Kinda hard job, but I do it to perfection. And you can tell that I ain't tryna let you go. I get with you when I can, so that's how I let you know. And you be tripping, cause sometimes I gotta go, but you the first one I holler to, right after my show. And I was tripping in a sense, I was tense, but my body loose around you, but I'ma do it out you. I gotta get it together, say whatever, but since I met you, my life seems so better.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done told me.